In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the print preview failed error in Google Chrome. This error can be quite frustrating when you're just trying to print something quickly from your browser, but don't worry, I've got you covered with some easy troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue and get your printing back on track. First, we're going to start by clearing your cache and cookies. This is an important step because over time, your browser can accumulate a lot of cached data and cookies, which can sometimes lead to various errors, including the one we're tackling today. To do this, open Chrome and type Chrome//settings into the address bar. This will take you straight to Chrome's settings menu. Once you're there, you'll need to navigate to the privacy and security section. Here, you'll find an option called Clear Browsing Data. Click on it, and you'll see a pop-up window. In this window, you'll want to choose All Time from the Time Range drop-down menu. Then, make sure to check both cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These options will ensure that you're clearing all the potentially problematic data. Once you've selected these, go ahead and click Clear Data. This process might take a few moments, so just be patient. Next, after clearing your cache and cookies, let's move on to making sure your Chrome browser is up to date. An outdated browser can often lead to unexpected bugs and compatibility issues. In Chrome, updating is quite straightforward. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser window. This will open up a menu. From here, hover over Help, and you'll see an option for About Google Chrome. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be directed to a page where Chrome will automatically check for updates. If there are any updates available, Chrome will download and install them for you. Once the update process is complete, it'll prompt you to relaunch the browser to finish the installation. Make sure to do this step, as it'll ensure all changes are applied correctly. These two steps, clearing your cache and cookies, and ensuring your browser is updated, resolve the print preview failed error most of the time. If after trying these steps, you're still experiencing issues, there might be other underlying problems to address, which we could explore in another video. But for now, these solutions should help most users get their print function working smoothly again. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you fix the print preview failed error in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have a great day, and happy printing!